Hi everybody, this is Robert with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today we're going to show you how to connect your NameCheap custom domain to your KW website powered by Placester. This is if you've purchased your custom domain through NameCheap.com. Our first step is going to be to get logged into NameCheap.com, and once you're logged in, you want to get to your dashboard. So you'd hover over your username up here on the top and go to your dashboard. On your dashboard, over on the left, you would click on Domain List. And then once it loads the list of your domains, to the right of the domain that you want to connect to your KW website, you click on Manage. And then within this Manage interface, over on the right, we're going to click on Advanced DNS. And then on this page, we need to create and delete a couple of DNS records. This first DNS record, this CNAME record for www, all we need to do is change the value and the TTL, which is time to live. For this value, we're going to put in domains.myrealestateplatform.com. So that's domains plural, D-O-M-A-I-N-S .myrealestateplatform.com. So domains is plural, everything else is singular, .myrealestateplatform.com. Once you've got that name in there, over on the right under TTL, we're going to change this to 60 minutes. Then we're going to click our check mark to save this. Under that, we need to delete this URL redirect record. Yes, we want to delete that. And we're going to add a new record down here. We're going to create an A record, and the host here is going to be the @ sign. So you'll do Shift on your keyboard, then the number 2, that's the @ with the sort of circle around it, the A with the sort of circle around it, that's the @ sign. And where it asks for IP address here, we're going to put in 184.169.141.142. There are 3 dots there, 4 sets of numbers, 184.169.141.142. I'll do that one more time. 184.169.141.142. And then over here again for our time to live, we want to change this to 60 minutes. And then we'll click our check mark to save that. That's all we'll need to do here on the NameCheap end. Now we need to go over here to our MyKW account. You'll get logged into mykw.kw.com. Your KW intranet, KW homepage, KW backend, KW system, whatever you call it. You need to get to this page right here, mykw.kw.com. Up in our top black menu, we'll hover over Technology over towards the right. Then we'll click on KW Websites, the third option down. And then on this page, we'll click on our red Go to My Website button to open our Placester interface. Our KW website is provided by a company called Placester. Once we're in Placester, over on the left underneath Quick Actions, we'll click on Edit Site to go into the site editor. Then we'll scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and under the More section, we'll click on the third option down, which is Custom Domain. In our custom domain, we're going to put in our full domain address, including www. 99% of the time across the internet, you don't have to include www, but in this case, we do. So we're going to do www. And then the rest of your custom domain. And then we'll add that domain there. Now, one thing I want to point out as we're moving forward with this video, most MLS organizations do not allow the use of realty or realtor or real estate in the address of your website. So we're going to contact this agent and suggest that they refer to their broker as far as the compliance of using realty in their website address, and definitely confer with your broker about whether you can use any of those words in your website address. Once we've got this added here, down at the bottom, we'll click on our green Save button. And once that reloads, if we've done everything correctly, we should be able to click on View Live Site over here on the right side of our Placester interface. And then it should load your KW website powered by Placester. That's how you can use your NameCheap custom domain with your KW website powered by Placester using domain mapping, which is more search engine friendly than just domain forwarding. If you have additional questions about this, or if you'd like for us to do this for you, just send us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com.